Hi, in front of me I have REALME 6S and I'm gonna show you how to enable the night mode on this device. Let's start by opening the quick panel. To do it, swipe down from the top of the screen twice, like this. Here let's swipe left. And here we have eye care icon. To turn the night mode on, just tap on it. And as you can see, the screen became more orange-ish. And that means that the night mode is turned on. You can also tap on it to turn it off. And you can also tap and hold on this icon to go straight to the eye care settings. Here you can turn it on and off, like that. You can turn on schedule for it. When you turn it on, you can tap on start to change or select the hour on which it's gonna be turning on, and to choose the hour on which it's gonna be turning off. Below you can select the temperature of the colors. Basically you can go from cool to warm, whatever you like. Below we have display effects. We can select between color or black and white. As you can see, basically the menu becomes black and white when you select black and white. And that's how you turn on the night mode on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.